Assalamu alaikum. Good time to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I am also fit and fine. Now I am going to talk about myself. This is Abid Khan in front of you. I am currently 17 years old. I recently finished my SSC examination from Mauna Multilateral High School. I am the son of Mr. Abdullah Khan and Mrs. Tarin Afroz Rita. My father works at a private company and my mother is an ideal housewife. My favorite subject in English. For this, I am doing a foundation English course at English Therapy. I also like mathematics. My favorite game is cricket and my favorite food is biryani. We are 4 members in our family. I have one sister and no brothers in my family. My grandparents are alive. I like to watch TV and I like to watch English cartoons in television. I also like to travel many places and I want to be a doctor. For this I have to work hard and I am trying my best.